This is African American History is American History. On November 3rd, 1929, Chicago's WSBC was the first radio station to premiere a program for African Americans. It was a weekly variety show featuring African American entertainers called the All-Negro Hour. The series also included various talks from influential black leaders, as noted in newspaper radio listings. But, unfortunately, no audio recordings of the show have survived. Just 2 weeks later, from November 20th, 1929 to July 16th, 1930, radio station WNYC in New York City opened its schedule to the NAACP, airing talks by black leaders every Wednesday. These talks covered important topics such as race relations, women's issues, work, entertainment, politics, literature, and the economy. Well-known speakers included W.E.B. Du Bois, A. Philip Randolph, and James Weldon Johnson. This has been African American History is American History.